Ice Cream Office LLC, yep.
Solid.
Named by Andrew's 5-year-old son. Andrew has been up here once and he brought his son. And so he says, Daddy, is this the, so you've got the office in Glastonbury and this is the ice cream office. We looked at actually renting space across over there, but we had Jeff price it out, but the building costs have just been insane. So we were coming up with names because we have to create an LLC to form this. This is Ice Cream Office LLC, which will never not make me happy. But yeah, no, this is like the hot spot. Like you're in high school, you come here. Good stuff. And I think in terms of us attracting talent, to join our team, we're gonna be like, hey, we're right down with Smyth soft serve, and we're in good with them, and we'll take care of you for some ice cream. So I am not one just like forego ice cream in the winter. I've never understood that. I'm not gonna lie, I am a sucker for some nice soft serve. We're gonna do some work. We hope to have this open in probably about a month or so. We got a lot of plans. We got our conference room space in here. It's pretty basic, it's pretty simple. We're gonna make it look nice.